Hi, I am Chintamani Lele. I am Director at Wintech Electronic Systems Private Limited. We are a IT infrastructure solutions and services company operating in Pune for last 20 years. We are among the top IT solutions companies in the country. We have a very complex set of business. We deal in the products ranging from server storage and enterprise solutions, networking products, right down to consumer-oriented products like smartphones and tablets. It's a very wide variety of products and services. Earlier we had a very basic website and which did not cater to all our activities that we do. So we approached IKF about 3 years back, I guess, and we explained them how complex our business is. The experience has been very enlightening as far as we are concerned, as well as IKF team is concerned, I guess. They perhaps did not have such a complex customer to put into one website the entire gamut of products that we have from all the brands like HP, Apple, Microsoft, Cisco, and a variety of other brands. The different solutions, like some are very high-end technology solutions like virtualization, cloud services. Some are very consumerish, like a smartphone, like an iPhone. And it was difficult to portray all these solutions in one go, in one-stop service or one-stop display. So we had a lot of marathon meetings with the IKF team. They started the work, and I believe about 2 years later it was almost done. Then again we had a lot of different feedbacks from our customers, from our vendors, from our associates who are Wintech consultants or Wintech well-wishers. We again went back to IKF, and then it was at a situation where we had to revamp the complete site. The entire 2-year work or 2-year man hours that IKF had put in were again perhaps had to revive or redo everything that they had done, the designs, the frameworks, the wireframes, or whatever in their terminology they call. And it was right from bottom up approach. So it was kind of dead end at that point, and we were at a fix what to do, how to go ahead. Thanks to Ashish, who really looked at it from a different point of view rather than the business point of view, and he put again the entire team of IKF into action. It was redone up with some different thought process, with different fresh outlook, some fresh team members that they have given us, and then the entire website that we have now was constructed. It was very difficult, very tedious and time taking, and very difficult to grasp the complex business that we have. So we launched our website about 6 months back, and it was really a very happy experience for all of our customers, I guess. It has been fruitful. We've been receiving a lot of inquiries, a lot of interest points from our customers, a lot of visits also. So that's how it has been so far, thanks to IKF team that they have persisted with us for so long, and with patience, without losing their patience totally. So thanks to IKF, and we look forward henceforth to expand the website look to other media like social and maybe LinkedIn, which is more relevant to us rather than Facebook. So that's how we are planning for the next year. Thanks once again.